In today's video, I'm going to show you how to default your camera to off in Microsoft Teams. Let's be honest, sometimes you just don't want to appear on camera right away, whether it's for privacy, convenience, or simply because you're not ready for your close-up. Setting your camera to be off by default can make your meetings more comfortable and stress-free. I'll guide you step by step so you can always enter meetings confidently. The first step is to log into your Microsoft Teams account. You can do this either through the desktop application or by visiting the Teams website on your browser. Make sure you enter your login credentials correctly. If you have automatic sign-in enabled, even better, you'll get straight into your Teams dashboard. Once logged in, you'll see the main interface with your chats, Teams, meetings, and all available options laid out clearly. Next, locate the meeting you want to join. You can find it either through your calendar in Teams or via an invitation link someone sent you. Once you've identified the meeting, click on the Join button, but don't enter just yet. There's a crucial step to make sure your camera stays off. Before clicking the final Join Now button, take a moment to check the toolbar within the meeting setup window. Look for the video icon, which usually looks like a small camera. By default, this icon might be active, meaning your video would turn on as soon as you enter. Your goal is to make sure the icon indicates your camera is off. If it shows that your video is on, simply click it once. You'll see the icon change, often with a slash across the camera, signaling that your video will remain off. This small adjustment is easy to miss, but incredibly useful. Checking this icon ensures you won't accidentally appear on camera when you join, giving you control over your privacy and presentation. Once the video icon confirms your camera is off, you can confidently click Join Now. You'll enter the meeting with your camera off, exactly as intended. From here, you can turn your camera on whenever you're ready. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can default your camera to off in Microsoft Teams, making your virtual meetings less stressful and more comfortable. It's a small tweak that can save you from awkward moments and help you feel more in control. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips and tutorials on optimizing your Microsoft Teams experience. Remember, a little preparation goes a long way in making your online interactions smooth and stress-free. Happy meeting!